In today's video, we're going to explore how to write SEO optimized articles much faster using AI with Scalenut. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and I'm here to break this down in a simple, casual way so you can decide if Scalenut is the right fit for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Scalenut offers, how to use it to create content, and whether it suits your writing workflow. Let's get into it. So let's start off with the basics. What is Scalenut? Scalenut is an all-in-one AI writing and SEO tool designed to help you research, outline, and write articles faster. Instead of juggling separate tools for keyword research, content briefs, and drafting, Scalenut lets you do everything in one place. The service combines a powerful language model with built-in search engine optimization insights to guide you through the writing process. It's really aimed at bloggers, marketers, and business owners who need to publish content regularly but don't have time to start from scratch every single time. By analyzing top-ranking pages and extracting key insights, Scalenut suggests topics, headings, and keywords that help your article perform better in search results. It then uses AI to generate sentences and paragraphs that fit your outline and incorporate those keywords naturally. Before we dive into the walkthrough, let's talk about a couple standout key features. So one of the biggest standouts is the guided writing mode, sometimes called cruise mode. So this mode walks through the process of creating an article from start to finish. You essentially enter a target keyword, select a tone of voice, and then follow prompts to generate an outline, introduction, subheading, and conclusion. At each step, the tool suggests wording based on what's working for similar articles and your chosen style. Another feature is keyword research and clustering. So the platform pulls data from search engines to show you relevant keywords, search volumes, and competition levels. It groups related keywords into clusters, which makes it easier to cover a topic comprehensively. This helps you decide which variations to include in your article and ensures that you're addressing what readers are actually searching for. SERP analysis is also built in, so the tool looks at the top results for your target keyword and highlights common questions, headings, and subtopics. This gives you a clear picture of what competitors are covering and where there might be gaps you can fill. It also suggests word counts and readability scores based on current rankings. The platform includes multiple AI writing templates, whether you need a product description, blog intro, meta description, or social media posts. There's a template that provides a starting point. You can customize the inputs, and the AI generates content that fits that format. Another helpful feature is the outline builder, so you can drag and drop suggested headings or write your own. The tool shows keyword densities and helps you structure your articles for flow and SEO performance. Once the outline is ready, the AI generates paragraphs for each section using the tone and style you selected. For those worried about originality, there's a built-in plagiarism checker as well. This just helps you ensure that the AI generated content is unique and safe to publish. You can also export your content directly to WordPress or copy it into your preferred editor. And finally, the tool offers integrations with services like Grammarly and stock image libraries. This lets you polish your articles and add visuals without leaving the platform. Okay, now let's talk about how to actually use this to write an SEO optimized article. So first off, if you don't already have a Scalenut account, you can go ahead and get signed up for free using our link in the description below. Once you click that link, you'll just go ahead and click try software for free, and then you can go ahead and enter in your email and a password. Once you are logged in, this is what the homepage looks like. Then we've got Geo Core, so this is where you can plan, optimize, and create content that ranks in AI and build topical authority. So we've got the article writer, the content optimizer, and the keyword planner. You've also got content audit, things like a traffic analyzer, link manager, detect and humanize, and more. You've also got a Geo Watchtower, so this is essentially understanding how AI sees your brand and then improve your ranking, social upreach, so this is where you can tap into real Reddit conversations, track mentions, spot trends, and then build trust. And then there's the backlinks marketplace that you can go ahead and check out. Okay, but we're going to go ahead and go to the article writer. So what you'll do is go ahead and type in a keyword, maybe that's healthy snacks or healthy travel snacks, whatever it may be. You can go ahead and click create. Then from here, you can go ahead and select the article. And as you can see, it has crafted a whole article for you right here. The cool cool thing about Scalenut too is obviously this is the first draft. The content score over here is 43 out of 100, suggested to be at least 50 plus. So it says 1 prompt coverage. So you can go ahead and click fix it. You can see that there's URL issues, and again, you can go ahead and click fix it and it will go ahead and update it. And as you update it, your content score will go up. But even this image was from their AI. You also can go ahead and click detect and humanize and it will go ahead and update it. You also can see your word count, your readability, etc. You also can use the cruise mode function by clicking right here. Okay. And again, they make it very simple on purpose. You're meant to go ahead, search a keyword, go ahead and click on it, and then let the AI do its thing. Okay. So as you can see, it created this keto diet, a comprehensive beginner's guide to success. We've got an 82 score. As you can see, we have fixed all of the gaps or most of them. You can see our content covers responses for 10 prompts. It also does a key highlights. It created all of the images. So you can come in here and of course, make it your own. Come in here and edit whatever it is that you want. But the thing is that it gives you a starting point. You don't have to stare at a blank page, or if you already have ideas, you can come in here and edit it, or you can go ahead and have it write more, whatever it may be. But as you can see, it helps you just optimize it for SEO. Okay, now that you understand how it works, let's talk about the pros and cons so you can decide if it's a good fit for your workflow. So there are so many advantages to using Scalenut, and the biggest benefit is speed. By combining research, outlining, and drafting in one place, you can go from idea to completed article much faster than if you were switching between tools. The guided process reduces decision fatigue and just keeps you focused. Another advantage is SEO accuracy. By analyzing top ranking pages and providing keyword insights, the tool helps ensure that you're covering the right topics and using terms that readers are searching for. This increases your chances of ranking higher in search results, which can just lead to more traffic. The variety of templates is also a huge plus. You're not limited to blog posts. You can generate product descriptions, ad, social posts, and more. This makes the platform a versatile content creation tool for different parts of your business. Now on the downside, AI generated content can sometimes sound generic or lack a distinct voice. You'll still need to edit and inject your personality to make the article engaging. Additionally, depending on your plan, there may be limits on how many words or keywords you can generate each month. Another potential con is that the tool does rely on current search results for its insight. If the competitive landscape changes or if there's a sudden shift in user intent, you'll need to update your research. It's important to treat the AI suggestions as starting points rather than a definition guide. And finally, like any subscription service, cost can definitely be a factor. More advanced plans with unlimited words and additional features are more expensive. If you're just starting out or only write occasionally, you'll need to determine whether the time saved justifies the subscription. Now let's go ahead and talk about the different plans and pricing options. Okay, so right now they actually do have an exclusive end of year deal going on. So you can get 60% off on all annual plans. So they do have monthly plans, but you're not going to save that 60%. So I'm going to go ahead and go over the annual plans. Okay, so they've got the Essential Max, which is 60% off. Instead of $588 per year, it's $235 per year. With this, you can create ready to rank humanized articles. You can optimize and humanize existing articles, build powerful keyword clusters, and more. So you've got AI images, traffic insights, NLP key terms, document sharing, topic gaps, new topic ideas, integration, email support, and chat support. Then you've got the Growth Max plan, which is usually over $1,200 per year, but now it's just $494 per year. So with this, you get everything in the Essentials plan, but you get a lot more articles. You also can audit and optimize your sites. You get a domain included and 2 user seats. You also get 20 prompts, weekly refresh, 2 engines. You also get AI link manager, AI detector, and then of course all the Essential Max features plus chat support, email support, traffic insights, and more. And then lastly is the Pro Max plan. So this plan, instead of it being over $2,000 a year, is actually only $926 per year. Again, you're saving that 60%. You get everything that's in the growth plan, but you get more articles, more keyword clusters. You can analyze more web pages. You get 50 prompts on the Geo Watchtower. You get more keywords, subreddits, competitors, etc. And then you get all of the other features on top of the AI image. You get 900 images pages a month. You get internal linking and advanced keyword planner. So again, if you're thinking about it, this is a great time to actually invest in this. If you want to schedule a demo, you also can as well. But this 60% off annual plans is not going to last forever. And you're also getting 3 times the normal limit. So example, in the growth plan, instead of 30 articles a month, you're getting 90. So it really is a great time to invest if this is something that you think is going to work into your workflow. So is Scalenut for you? It's a really strong choice if you need to produce content regularly, but want to reduce the time spent on research and drafting. It's really ideal for side hustlers, bloggers, or small business owners who want to compete in search results without hiring a full content team. The guided process and built-in SEO insights can help you create high-quality articles, even if you're not an SEO expert. It's also beneficial if you manage multiple content formats. With templates for different types of copy, you can streamline social posts, product descriptions, and more from one dashboard. The integrations with WordPress and Grammarly tools also make publishing and polishing easier. However, if you prefer writing entirely on your own, or if your niche requires a very specific tone that AI struggles to replicate, you might find the content suggestions less useful. As a personal note, I know how time-consuming writing can be when you're juggling multiple projects, but leveraging AI for research and drafting can free up hours for other tasks. If you want to go ahead and try Scalenut for yourself, don't forget to use our exclusive link in the description below. And again, just as a reminder, you can save up to 60%. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best AI tools to simplify your workflow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.